Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Zumo XT GPS from Garmin, and here it is. So the Zumo XT is a 5.5-inch all-terrain motorcycle navigator, and it's IPX7. Let's see what we got here. That's the main unit. Big screen. Very nice. Let's see what it looks like on. That was fast. Oh, that's cool. Responsive too. All right. What else do we have in here? Take the box off to the side. Manual. It looks like we have the power cables. Oh, and a bunch of mounting hardware. USB charging cable, mounting plate, mounting hardware. Oh, okay, I found my house. That's awesome. Let me just turn that on. And zip ties. And that's all we have. And later on this week, I'll be installing the Garmin on my 2020 KTM 790 Adventure R. Stay tuned for that. Bye for now.